So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Lens to translate text. So before starting the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So first of all, go to the Google Lens in your Android smartphone. Open the Google Lens app. I am showing the process in an image. You can apply the same process if you are using from camera too. Just select the image you want to translate. Let me select this one. Here you can see an option in the right corner, a translated type. Click on that option. Here you can see the text is translated. You can also change the translation of the text. For example, I have translated in English. Let's change it to any text we want. For example, let's text to Hindi. Click on Hindi, and here you can see the text is translated into Hindi. You can translate into any language you want. You can select it from here. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.